Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another look using the Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette. Today is like a sunrise or sunset kind of look. This is probably my favorite look that I've done thus far using this Wild Heart palette, and this is look number 8. Can you believe it? Look number 8. I love this look. I'm obsessed with this look. It's awesome. And of course, as always, I'm priming my eyes with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Eyeshadow Primer and using Hourglass Loose Powder to catch fallout. And of course, we're using the Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette for this. And I'm going to be picking up third row first shade, that beautiful yellow. I'm so glad there is a yellow in this palette. I'm taking that on a fluffy crease brush and I'm just going to really buff that in the crease and blend it out and just keep adding and like building it up. I mean, as I go, I'm going to be blending it out towards the brow bone, and I think this palette, it has a great color story. Don't be wrong, I've said in a lot of the other tutorials too, it's missing some transition shades, but overall, it's very beautiful. Second row, the burnt orange shade. And I'm going to take that on a pencil brush, and I'm applying this shade in the outer corner, and I'm going to build this up little by little. This shade is super pigmented, and to help avoid a lot of fallout, we're going to pepper it in. Little by little and build it up. We don't want to apply too much that we can't take it away. I'm going to wipe off this pencil brush here, and then I'm going to go in with the bright pink matte shade in the third row, and then I'm applying that with that pencil brush right next to the burnt orange shade, and I'm going to blend it a little as I go, and they blend very nicely together. All these shades are from a warm toned family, and the orange and the pink are very kind of close, so they blend very nicely into one another. Once I have that, I'm taking this shimmery shade from the third row, third eyeshadow. I'm taking this on a flat shader brush. Of course, I'm going to get that wet, and I'm applying that on the lid. I'm not going to go incredibly too far in with this. I just want that pop of shimmer there, and mainly I want these matte shades to stand out. I'm going to wet that using the AOA Studio setting spray, and then I am going to, I'm using a flat shader to apply that too, and then you'll see me go in. I'm going to start the blending process with the lid shade there. Now, shimmers do take a little bit more time to blend into the matte shades, but it does happen. And I'm going to start dragging the orange kind of more into the crease and around that shimmery shade, because just I wanted to blend it out into the yellow. So I'm going to be working on that now. So you'll see me pick up more yellow, blend it around the orange shade. Now once I have that, I'm in the first row, second eyeshadow, and that is just like a matte, like skin tone shade, and I'm using a large shader brush. For this, I'm going to apply that on the brow bone, and then I'm going to blend it down into the look as my brow bone highlight. I'm wiping away my fallout, and I'll continue to work on the brow bone here. And then I'm going to take more yellow and transition that more into the brow area. Now once that's done, I'm going to repeat this process on the bottom, and I am just going to do orange and pink. So this is Believe Beauty Long Lasting Eyeliner in Caviar, and I'm going to tight line my upper rim with this, and this gel eyeliner from LaColors in Citrus, and I'm going to apply this in my waterline. These eyeliners are amazing. Absolutely amazing. Like, these are the LaColors best eyeliners. And I'm going to use the NYX Jumbo Pencil and Milk in my inner corner, and I'm going to use my finger to blend that out. I'm picking up the Revlon Galaxy Dream highlighting palette, and I'm going to put the shimmery duochrome opalescent pink shade there. So from AOA Studio, I'm using their Lash Adhesive and Ioni's Natural Light Doll lashes. These are gorgeous lashes. Don't sleep on these Ioni lashes. You can find them at the Dollar Tree, and they're $1.25, and they are amazing. Absolutely amazing. So once I have those applied, I'm going to use my Revlon eyelash curler to mesh my real lashes with the false lashes, and I'm further meshing them together using the Believe Beauty Extend Mascara. My camera died, so that's why it's so short. And for lips, I'm using number 680 from Maybelline in Mesmerizing Magenta, because I have not done a bright lip in a while, and some of you are probably getting tired of the nude lips. And it just looks cute, and I love how it turned out. So that's MAC Fix Plus like Rose setting spray. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check the description box and the cards for additional links, a product list, a Wet n Wild playlist, and a lot of the other looks I've already filmed. I thank you guys so very much for watching. I hope you found the tutorial helpful, and we'll try the look out for yourselves. Stay tuned for more looks using the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.